Hello and welcome to W2P. We are very excited to be working with C21 Everest and cannot wait to show you our new online ordering platform for all C21 Everest agents. Okay, welcome to the W2P homepage. I'm going to do a quick tutorial to show you how to do some online ordering. Let's get to it. First thing you're going to want to do is go up here to the top right and click the Realtors tab. You're going to land on this page here and see a little bit about what we're doing. See the logo right on the bottom corner here. Click on that logo and it'll pull up this information form. Now, as you can see, it shows the steps here on the left, and on the right, you got a drop-down menu. Click on that and choose the state you are in. Now, I'm in California, so I'm going to choose California. And then it has a drop-down for the offices, and we got all the offices listed right here in your state. So click on the office that you're in. For me, the closest one is Westlake Village, so I'm going to click on Westlake Village. Now it comes time to select a product. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to do a business card, and the next drop down is the design layout. Now for business cards, you can do horizontal or vertical. I'm going to do vertical, and in terms of quantity, there's 1,000, 2,500, or 5,000. The more you purchase, the better pricing you get on the printing itself. So I plan on going to a whole bunch of networking meetings. I'm just going to go straight to the 5,000 because I'm going to pass these things out real quick. Then click Next. Give it a second to load. Okay, once it loads in, you're going to see this Your Information form pop up. Now fill this out with all your information. And for the purposes of this tutorial, I am John Doe. Put in your email address. I'm John Doe at century21.com. Then my license number and the website, century21.com. And then you click See Your Information, and there it is. It populates the graphic with all your information. Now double check, make sure everything is right on here. Oh, I notice a error right there. So the way that you want to edit this, do not click anything here on the left at all. Click Edit, fill out with your information, and it'll pull this form back up. So here you make your adjustments. There it is right there. Click, boom. And now it fills in the correct information right down here. Now there are different designs for the business cards vertical, and I want to do one that has an image, a portrait of myself. Oh, look at that. The information is now all wrong on here. So now what I need to do again is click Edit, fill out with your information, John Doe at Century21, and see your information. But I noticed that the name is only John, so clearly I didn't do that correctly. So let's click Fill Out with Your Information again, and it says full name up there. So I gotta fill that in, John Doe, and it's asking for my phone number. And then click See Your Information. There we go. John Doe, Realtor, 555-555. Okay, now I have this gray square right here, and I want to put my picture there. Now this is the only time you're actually going to click any of the buttons here on the left. You're going to click on Photos, then the only one you're going to touch is Upload. Click on Click or Drop Images here. So I'm going to choose my photo. There we go, it is loading in. Give it a second to load, and there's my image. You could center it by clicking on the image itself. Click and hold, and you could drag it around. Now, before you proceed, just again, check and make sure everything is correct. Looks all good to me. Got my email address is correct. The website is correct. My phone number is correct. Looking good in the photo. All right, it looks good. So next, you're going to click Process in the top right corner. Now give it a second to load here. And here we are. We've made it to the cart. Once you're in the cart, it gives you little thumbnails of what you're ordering here. And say you want to order more, or you realize at the last second here that there's a problem with the image. Go right here and click Edit Design. Once you click that button, it'll bring you back here and you could make the edits as needed. But since mine is right, I don't need to make any edits, so let's click Process again. At this point, you could proceed to checkout, but say you want to order another product. Go right here to Order More, and you click on that. It brings you back to this order form. Fill out all the information again. We do offer a variety of products, from business cards, envelopes, letterheads, notepads, banners, for sale signs, tablecloths. I am going to do notepads. Now, the most common size notepad I see is a 3x5 by 8.5. So I'm going to do that. In quantity, I'm going to do 500. I plan on doing a big canvassing campaign where I go door to door and I put a notepad on the front doorstep. So let's do 500. click next. Again, give it a second to load. Now it's bringing up the your information form again. Now fill out all this information. Make sure to put in the right information. It's asking me for the full name, so I'll put the full name in. My phone number, email address, website, license number, and click see your information. Okay, now just double check all the information, make sure it's all correct. Once you've done that, click process, and here we are, back to the cart. Once here, you could look at both your products right here. If you got to edit it, just click the edit design. If you want to order more products, you click on order more, but I'm ready to proceed to checkout. So you click on the proceed to checkout, give it a second to load. And right here, you're going to want to fill out all your information on the left here, your full name, last name, company name, street address. Make sure that all this information is correct. And then you put in your shipping address. Then on the bottom left here, you're going to click on I agree to the terms and conditions and be sure to read those. You choose your form of payment. Now we could do PayPal, Venmo, or credit cards. Once you have done that, it'll add all the taxes and everything should be added up so you know exactly what you're paying. You click place order and you're good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for choosing Where2Print. Have a good day.